Want to create a professional cinematic opening like this? Before we start, I want to quickly share something. For this editing process, I'm using the FuryCube G1 lightweight wireless mouse, which really helps during video editing. This mouse has many features, which are 3-mode connection, ultra-low latency for precise editing, ergonomic and comfortable design, 100 million clicks lifespan, intelligent low power consumption. It really helps when working with keyframes and timeline editing, like in this tutorial. If you're interested, you can check the yellow card for more information. Alright, let's jump into the tutorial. First, import your photo or video into the timeline. Make sure you set the video ratio and remove original audio if needed. Next, add text and customize it based on your preference. Then, add a black overlay and place it above the text layer. Set the duration to 5 seconds. Add mask, choose film strip, then click reverse. Adjust rotation into -75, size to 80 and feather to 30. Create 4 keyframes at first second, second second, 4th second, and at 5th second. Move the mask accordingly. First keyframe, move left out of frame. Second keyframe, start text. Third keyframe, end of text. Fourth keyframe, move right out of frame. Add animation graph on the second and last keyframe. Right-click a keyframe. Show all presets, then choose preferred animation. Here I'm using Cubic N. Play to preview the result. Add sound effect for more dramatic impact. I'm using Riser with sense of tension and impact 1. Adjust the sound duration to match your clip. Add chrome blur effect to enhance the cinematic look. Play again to see the final. And that's it. You successfully created a cool cinematic opening. In the next video, we'll learn more advanced animation techniques. Make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.